One of the most memorable stories I remember is I had an individual who had put new replacement windows in his house the year before I was there. And so we're measuring the windows, and I said, you know, there's a date stamp in these windows. They're barely a year old. Why are we looking at replacing them? And he said, well, he says, I have this sleep apnea machine, I have asthma, I have problems, allergies with mold, and I had mold and they replaced the windows and it's all back again twice as bad. So I gave him a quote on taking out the other window, putting ours in. We had to replace part of the sub-sill underneath the window, the 2x4 underneath that. There's quite a bit of mold. On the outside of the house, we replaced some of the trim and the cedar boards around the window, basically eradicating the mold permanently. And I felt great because we were able to give him a 50-year warranty on that installation to ensure that he's never going to have a problem again in his bedroom.